May I also?
Catch it.
Oh.
You have to do more practice to catch these balloons, huh? Then you will be selected into Indian cricket team. Yeah. You know why this balloon flies away when I release the knot?
No idea.
That's because of air pressure.
Air pressure. What does it mean?
Okay. Let me explain you. We'll do one thing. Mira, tell me, will you be able to blow all these balloons?
Yes.
And if I tell you not to use your mouth, then?
Then maybe I'll need pressure pump or cycle pump.
But we don't have any here.
Then how am I supposed to do it?
Okay, let me show you something. Okay, we'll check if that gadget helps us in blowing the balloon.
Okay.
For this, we need this bucket. Okay, this bucket is half filled with the water. Now I have one bottle which is cut from the bottom. Stretch the balloon on the top of this. Now I am going to immerse this bottle into the water. I slowly put this bottle into the bucket. Wow, this balloon is inflated, and that's due to the air pressure. Now what's happening here when I immerse this bottle in water? There is air outside this bottle as well as inside this bottle. Now when I dip this bottle further, outside air pressure works on water and water tries to go inside the bottle. This pushes air which is inside the bottle in upward direction. Since we have covered the top with this balloon, air enters into the balloon, and that's how this balloon is getting inflated.
Oh, now I get it.
Yeah, and that's nothing but the air pressure.
Why? So does this mean that pressure works only when in the presence of air and water?
Not really. Okay, let me show you one more experiment. Let's have some fun. Okay?
Yeah.
Now take this bottle.
Okay.
Now do as I show you. First, stretch this balloon.
Okay.
Okay. Blow it a little. Okay, enough. Now put this balloon inside the bottle.
Like this?
Yes. Now just cover the top of. Perfect. Now try to blow this.
From here?
Yes.
It doesn't.
Now look at this.
Wow. Why is it not happening in my case?
Try again.
No. Wow.
Now see. Yeah. Now I put this pen inside the balloon.
What is happening? I mean.
Now see what happens. Yeah, that's the magic. Now if you see closely, there is a small hole here in the bottle.
I don't have.
Yeah, and that's why when I blow the air into this balloon, what is happening is the air which is already there is in this bottle is trying to escape from this hole. Isn't that a magic?
Yeah, it's not magic, it's science.
Yeah, very right. It's a science. And that's the science of air pressure, right?
This explains me many things now. Look, I have made myself an observation. When I fill my mouth with air and keep it shut, I can feel air pressure in my cheeks.
Oh, wow, that's a great observation. So, get your pressure concepts clear.
Yes.
Otherwise, you will feel the pressure at exam time. And that's not something we learned today, right? What do you say? Bottle